In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages in WordPress. If you're building a website, pages are one of the most important parts of your site. They're perfect for content like your homepage, about page, contact page, or any other standalone section you want visitors to access. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a new page inside WordPress using the built-in editor. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website content, settings, and design. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all the tools needed to create and organize your site. Next, look for the new option in the dashboard menu or toolbar and click on it. This is the quickest way to start creating new content in WordPress. When you click New, you'll see different types of content you can add, such as posts or pages. From that menu, click on Page. This tells WordPress that you want to create a static page rather than a blog post. That's an important distinction because pages are typically used for evergreen content that doesn't change as often and isn't organized by date like posts are. Once the new page opens, enter a title for your page. The title should clearly describe what the page is about, since this will usually appear at the top of the page and may also be used in navigation menus or search results. Keep it simple and easy for visitors to understand. After that, start adding your content using the WordPress block editor. This editor lets you build your page by adding different types of blocks, such as paragraphs, headings, images, buttons, lists, and more. Just click into the content area and begin typing or add a new block when you want to insert something specific. Take your time here and structure your content in a way that's easy to read. Using headings and spacing can make a big difference in how professional your page looks. When your page content is ready, click on Publish. WordPress may ask you to confirm the action, so if prompted, go ahead and publish the page again. Once it's published, your new page will be live on your website, and that's it. You've successfully created a page in WordPress. As you continue building your site, you can repeat the same process for each new page you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.